Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to share a quick unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I picked up a couple pieces and it seems like some of the stores are slowly starting to open up. So my SA reached out saying he could facilitate like an over the phone order before some of the items sell out in other boutiques in states that are open. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of items. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I just wanted to point out one kind of logistical or housekeeping matter. If you wonder what this little thing is right here, I did invest in a mic. I thought it would help with some of the audio quality and also help reduce some of the New York City background noise. I don't think I'll ever get 100% silence unless I put myself in some kind of like soundproof studio, but at least this way I'm hopeful that the sound quality is a bit better. But of course, it's my first time trying it out, so let me know your thoughts and let me know if you have any feedback. You know, is it too loud? Is it still too soft? Any and all thoughts are welcome, so let me know in the comments down below. So like I mentioned, I picked up a couple of pieces. Actually, my boyfriend had a few more items on his wish list that unfortunately were either already sold out or not open for pre-sale yet, so he has a few more things that he's trying to get his hands on. And while I was having that conversation with him, I snuck in something that I have been wanting to get myself. The first item came in this very large box. Oh, it looks like this. I didn't even know Louis Vuitton makes a box this size. I don't honestly know what else would fit inside this sort of box except for like, I don't know, maybe they're like really large keep balls, but it's a very large box for an interesting item inside. So the box, when you open the box, ooh, you're gonna see inside I have an interesting oblong shape. It was really cute that they put it in all these dust bags, but I'll show you what this is. So this is the item that came in that massive box. It is actually a Louis Vuitton poster. They have a few posters on the website. I'll put a picture of what it looks like flat because this is clearly rolled up and I'm gonna leave it rolled up until I can get it properly framed. But anyway, there are a number of posters from different locations, different countries, different cities that are illustrated for Louis Vuitton specifically. This is, I believe, for Tokyo. It's the Yoshioka poster. This was more of an item that my boyfriend wanted to get. He likes to collect posters and artwork and things like that. So this was just one of the items that kind of went in the overall order. I have to applaud Louis Vuitton for their packing of this item. It came much better than I expected. The second item is actually my first ready-to-wear piece from Louis Vuitton. It is this really gorgeous silk dress right here. It's I'd say it's a mini dress. This I was really impressed with in person. I had only seen it online. I actually saw it on the wonderful Jamie Chua. I saw her wear it. I just really loved how it looked. I will have some cutaways with mod shots so that you can see it on me. I've heard your guys' feedback that it's a lot more helpful to see the clothing pieces on, so I'm working to incorporate that a lot more into my videos. And I just love this design in general. I like having a puff sleeve and I like having this kind of square yoke, if you will, at the top. It's just a style that is flattering for my body type. And I didn't know that this was actually sequins. You can see, I thought it was just silver metallic threading, but it's actually clear sparkly sequins on the top, and it's also on the back here. And they have a really nice like Louis Vuitton zipper pull as well that's like branded. That's actually a nice touch. So this is the dress that I got my hands on. It was like the second time that I saw Jamie Chua wear this. It was during quarantine, so it was kind of my quarantine brain that was kind of convincing me to buy this. I'm not sure where I will wear it to because New York City is still under lockdown, but I am gonna be hopeful for the future and that I can wear it a lot more in the future. It also is in just a pretty classic silhouette, I would say, where I don't think it would seem too trendy or that it would fall out of fashion in years to come. So that's why I decided to grab this piece. This is the hanger that it came with, which I thought was kind of not cool. This came from a different store. Each item shipped from a different boutique. So I don't know if it's because of the particular boutique, or I don't know if it's because of everything going on, they didn't have any hangers. But I reached back out to my SA and he said he can share a hanger the next time I'm able to actually see him in person. So this is the dress that I picked up, and that item just came packaged in its dust bag like this. It's like a much softer dust bag than I'm used to. The Chanel ones are a lot stiffer. This is more of like the dust bag material that's made into a garment bag. But I plan to use the garment bag to store the dress in my closet. All right, I will have links to all of the items down in the description box. I'll also have the prices listed out there so you can check it out if you need a little bit more detail. I do have to say, when the dress arrived, it had the tags on it, and I think I fell victim to Louis Vuitton's recent price increase. I guess the ready-to-wear was also impacted because I definitely paid more than what was on the tag, like a solid 10% more. So I'm really sad about that, but I am really happy with the piece itself, so I'm not going to be returning it. I will hold on to it and I will cherish it for years to come. I'm just a little upset about my timing. Maybe if I tried to buy it the first time I saw Jamie Chua wear it earlier this year, I wouldn't have paid the additional price increase, but so that's everything. I know it was a really quick video. I haven't really been shopping too much, honestly, because most of the places are closed. I think majority of the boutiques, I think we're still facilitating like over the phone orders and things like that, but I had only recently started some of those conversations with the SAs that I work with, and the boutiques themselves are still closed. I'm still pretty much waiting for the shops to start opening for my SAs to be able to be in the stores, so at least they can help me figure out what inventory they have and being able to get some of the pieces that I've been waiting for. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video and you like unboxing videos, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Sunday. So until next time, bye!